Want to keep your screenshots separate from your regular photos on your Samsung phone? It's an easy fix. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to change the folder path for your screenshots. Let's get started. First, open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Advanced Features. Now scroll down again. Find out the Screenshots and Screen Recordings option. Then tap on it. Here you'll see the Save Screenshot in option. Tap on it. Next, tap on the plus icon from the top right corner. From here, you can create a new folder for your screenshots. Or if you tap on the internal storage option from here, you can change the folder from here as well. Or if you want to create a new folder in your internal storage, you can do it here also. To do that, tap on the plus icon from the top right corner, type Screenshots. After that, tap on Create. Now tap on Done from the below. That's all for today. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching.